Hi everyone, I am Bhavna, 7th semester, Electronics and Communication Department. I am here to deal with the subject Digital Image Processing. In that, let us deal with the topic how digital image processing enables self-driving car to understand their environment and avoid the obstacle and make real-time decisions. Abstract. A self driving car, sometimes called an autonomous car or driverless car, is a vehicle that uses a combination of sensor, camera, radar, and artificial intelligence to travel between destinations without a human operator. To qualify as fully autonomous, a vehicle must be able to navigate without the human intervention to a predetermined destination over roads that haven't been adapted for its uses. Introduction. Self-driving car have a potential to bring many changes to future roadways and transportation industries. They could potentially, for example, reduce traffic congestion, lower the number of accidents, and enable the new self-driving, ride-hailing, and trucking services. The first and the foremost thing is how digital image processing enables the self-driving car to understand their environment. Let us learn about this now. Digital image processing plays a critical role in enabling self-driving car to understand their environment by converting the visual data into the actionable insights. Here's how it contributes to autonomous driving. The first and the foremost thing is object detection and classification. Cameras mounted on self-driving car capture the real-time images or video. Though image processing techniques, the car system can identify the objects such as pedestrian vehicle, traffic signs, and the road lanes. The second thing is lane detection. Image processing helps identify the lane boundaries on the road. Techniques like edge detection, Sobel canny, and oven transform are used to detect and trace the lanes from the camera images. This helps the car stay in its lane and make the lane changes safely. The third thing is depth perception and the obstacle avoidance. Image processing in combination with the stereoscopic vision using the multiple camera allow a self-driving car to estimate the depth and distance. By comparing the images from the different camera angle, the system can create a 3D understanding of the environment. The second thing is how digital image processing enables the self-driving car to understand to avoid the obstacles. Let us learn about this now. Digital image processing plays a critical role in enabling the self-driving cars to detect, understand, and to avoid the obstacles. Here's how it contributes to the car's decision-making process. The first and the foremost thing is object detection. Self-driving cars are equipped with camera and sensors that capture the continuous streams of images. Digital image processing techniques analyze these images to detect the various objects such as the pedestrian vehicle road signs and obstacle. Machine learning and depth learning model like the conventional neutral networks CCNs are often used to classify the object. So first thing we have learned how the digital image processing enables a self-driving car to understand the environment. But now we are learning how digital image processing enables a self-driving car to understand to avoid the obstacles. In that, the second most thing is image segmentation. Image segmentation involve the dividing an image into a different regions or segments to identify the various objects in the environment. This allow the car to differentiate between the road, sidewalks, other vehicle, and any obstacles on the road. Through segmentation, the car can identify the regions that needed to be avoided. The third thing is depth perception. Perspection helps the car understand the distance between itself and the surrounding object. Using the techniques like stereo vision, that is nothing but analyzing the difference between the image captured by multiple cameras or LIDAR. Nothing but the light detection and ranging. The system creates a 3D map of the environment. This is the second most thing where we are learning how digital image processing they have been used in order to understand to avoid the obstacle. But now the third most thing which we are learning is how digital image processing enables the self-driving car to understand to make the real-time decisions. In that, let us learn Digital image processing plays a crucial role in enabling the self driving car to perceive the surrounding, make the real time decisions, and navigate safely. Here, how it works. In under this subtopic, let us learn the first thing is perspection of the environment. Self-driving cars uses the camera, LIDAR, nothing but light detection and ranging, and this radar sensors to capture the real-time images and data about their environment. These sensors help the car understand its surrounding by generating the high-resolution images or the point clouds, which are proceeded digitally to identify the obstacle, road signs, lane marketing, pedestrian and the other vehicles. The second most thing is object detection and recognition. Using the computer vision algorithm, the car processes the images to avoid and classify the object techniques such as the convolutional neutral network CNNs help detect and recognize the objects like traffic light, stop signs, pediatric and the other vehicle. The third thing is depth estimation and 3D mapping. LIDAR and stereo camera help in estimating the depth and 3D structure of the object. By combining the multiple camera feeds or LIDAR scans, the car creates a 3D map of its surroundings. This is the third most thing which we are learning, how the digital image processing are used in order to understand the environment, avoid the obstacles, and the third most thing which we have learned is to understand to make the real time decisions. So we have learned how digital image processing enables the self driving car to understand about the environment, to avoid the obstacle, and to make the real time decisions. These are the three things which come under this particular topic. So this is about the conclusion. Digital image processing plays a critical role in enabling the self-driving car to make the real-time decisions by allowing the vehicle to see and interrupt its surrounding. Though techniques like object detection, edge recognition, and image segmentation, digital image processing help the autonomous vehicle identify the obstacles, road signs, lanes, pedestrian, and the other essential elements in the environment. So, by saying this, I'll conclude the topic. By saying that the digital image processing plays a critical role in enabling the self-driving car to make the real-time decisions by allowing the vehicle to see and interrupt its surroundings. This is about the topic. So thank you all. Thank you for the session.